Hey guys, it's Tessa. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. So I'm going to be using Arctic Fox Aquamarine and I'm going to be using Purple Rain. So I'm going to start with the bottom layer of my hair first. As you can see, I already had some purple in my hair. So I'm just going to touch up the turquoise towards the root and then touch up the purple and then just put the blue on the rest of it. Okay, I'm so excited. This is like the last thing I have to do before I can put my dreadlock extensions in. If you haven't seen the video on how I dye my dreadlock extensions, I found the quickest way to dye them. The video is up on my YouTube channel, so go check it out. But I'm so excited. It just makes me really happy to know that I'm going to be doing it again. So I'm not going to use the dye concentrated from the bottle. I'm going to be diluting it with conditioner. This conditioner is just the Tresemme moisture conditioner. I like buying it in the big bottles because it lasts a long time. So I'm going to just put some of the conditioner in 2 different bowls, one for each colour. Go. I think mixing the hair dye half and half, so half conditioner, half hair dye, that will just help it go a little bit further. Start with the purple. I love this colour. This purple is beautiful. I'm going to use the purple bowl for the purple dye. That is like way too much hair dye. Like, I just realised I'm only doing like a little section on the bottom of my head, so that's a lot. Now the turquoise. So I've just done the roots and the purple and now I'm just going to colour the rest of my hair with the turquoise. It's a beautiful day today, so I'm in a really good mood.